Hey guys, welcome to Vinja Lifestyle. Today I'll tell you how to make Kottige. In Konkani we say kotta. So you need to take 4 jackfruit leaves, and with the bamboo stick I'll be tying like this. Then fold it from the corner. Tag the tick, and from the other corner one more stick, and third is little complicated. You'll have to fold it from inside. So you need to tuck in. And this is the last corner. So this is the way we tie Kottige. You can see that how nicely it is tied. And the concept is idli batter should not be out from this. If you like, do like, share and subscribe my channel.